Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So we had over 100% breakout in the Instables with CPIX once extended hours, getting FDA news approval on their codeine painkiller drug. This is going to help people waking up from surgeries, being in a ton of less pain. CPIX having a major breakout because of it. I'm going to go over two other stocks at the end of this video that are expected to get FDA news approval. I'm going to go over exactly how CPIX played on the 1 minute chart, so that way if those two other stocks do get FDA news approval, you know exactly how to play into them. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'll be doing. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mentioned throughout the week. So let's do on this one. So I'm going to go over CPIX with you guys here on the 1 minute chart as we are actually playing out and breaking into new highs, looking to see if we can continue here, which in my opinion, we are going to continue on down from here. But I do want to mention before we do get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. Now we do mention pre-market news before market open every single day. We mentioned I&M from pre-markets news at $1.40, jumping up to $2 on the day, over 40% on that breakout. And we also did mention news on ADGI this morning at $23. Jumping up to $53 on the day, over 100% on that breakout. So if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 1 minute chart again, we had this major spike from FDA news approval at $2.46, jumping up over $5 going to extended hours, over 100% on that breakout. Looking to see if we can respect this 200 moving average, and we did continue to respect the 200 moving average. We had the 200 moving average holding over the 50, showing us that we could continue. We did drop down below the 200 moving average, but we bounced right off the 50. We continued on up, but however, we were a little overextended. As you guys can see, we have this increase in buy pressure as we did extend there, and as you guys can see, we have this decrease in buy pressure, showing us that decrease in momentum. And as you guys can see, right before I did get started, I mentioned that we were going to continue to sell off, and as you guys can see, we are getting continuous red candles coming in, now dropping below the 200 moving average again after we did just drop down below the 200 moving average, getting this increase in sell pressure here, showing us that we are losing momentum. And as you guys can see, we have an increase in sell pressure compared to our previous sell pressure points, showing us that we are going to continue on down from here. So again, that would show us that decrease in momentum. That is what I would be looking for in the next two stocks that are expecting FDA news announcements going to tomorrow. So again, those two stocks are BYSI and BBIV. If we do get FDA news approvals, then we will mention them in the Instables room as always. So again, I wanted to make sure I caught this right before they did sell off, so that way you guys can see exactly how these ones do cool off and exactly how this momentum does work. As you guys can see, again, we do have this decrease in buy pressure, which gave us that increase in sell pressure, which would have made us not hold through all of this. And however, if we did continue on below the 200 moving average, we would have at least sold off at least at about $4.80, getting a nice profit, as we did mention them in the Instables room at about $2.46. So again, with that said, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert again. And I appreciate everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instabulls that have been coming over and supporting the channel. I appreciate every one of you guys every single day. God bless you guys. I hope you guys actually caught a piece of this. Hopefully it continued up for a while, so hopefully you guys did catch this one. If not, much love to you guys regardless. And as you guys can see, we have another red candle coming out here. And again, with that said, if you guys do like this video, it does help if you find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.